Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find missing folder in Outlook. And for this, what we want to do is we click here on Minimize Outlook and then in the bottom search for Run and then do Enter. Then right now we write down outlook.exe space / reset folders and then right now click on OK. I don't do it because my folders are fine right now, but please for you do it right here. Click then on OK. Then click it away. Then please close your Outlook window. Then we search for Outlook and open our Outlook again. And then right now here, right in the left, you will find the folders that you were missing, because with that Run application, you can reset your Outlook folder. So right now everything here is back. So this is exactly how you can find missing folders in Outlook. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.